Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are exploring neural networks, one of the most powerful tools in machine learning. So I'll demonstrate their applications using Python in R in just 5 minutes. Neural networks mimic the human brain by learning patterns in data. They are great for tasks like image recognition, speech processing, and even predicting stocks prices. In neural networks applications. Introduction to neural networks. Here's a small definition about neural network is a computational model inspired by the way biological neural networks in the human brain works. So it consists of layer of interconnect neuron, which is nodes that process and learn from data in hierarchical manner. The layers we have in it: input layer, hidden layer, or output layer. Input layer for receive the data, hidden layer for process the data by applying weights and activation functions, and output layer for produce the final result or predictions. And next was demonstrate application of neural networks. So neural networks are used in variety of real world applications such we as we have classification, regression, recommendation system, neural language processing, and computer visions. And next was advantages of neural networks. These are the some exam advantages: flexibility, accuracy, learning from data. And last and foremost was how neural network works. Neurons, the basic unit of the network, each performing simple operations, and layers, the input layer receive data, hidden layer process data, and the output layer provides the prediction. And the weighted and basis, the parameters adjust during training to minimize the error in prediction. And activation function. With this neural and with using Google Colab, let's take overview of our definition. So with using Google Colab, we will see to demonstrate the application of neural networks using Python. So let's walk through a simple example of training a neural networks to classify images for popular MNIST data, which consist of handwritten digits 0 to 1. So in this section, first we'll use TensorFlow, a popular library for neural networks. Let's generate a synthetic dataset with some sample and split into training and testing data. Next point was building the neural networks. Load the MNIST dataset, then pre-process the data, then build the neural network model. And our neural network has two hidden layers with neurons and an output layer with neuron. We use the ReLU activation for hidden layers and binary classification. Then training the model. Um, in this section, training the model involves passing the data through the networks multiple times and updating weight using an optimizer. And next was evaluating and visualizing performance. So after training the data, we evaluate the model on the test data set, then make predictions, and then visualize performance. So after training, we evaluate the model on test to measure its accuracy. Here a plot training and validation accuracy. And next was the model can how predict outcomes, so making predictions for new data. And we will train and evaluate a neural network using TensorFlow. Try experimenting with more layers or data sets. And if we execute the code, output is this predicted table. Test accuracy with loaded load. You can go through with my notes, and if